Thanks so much for joining us today. Years of foundational work are coming together right now to drive new innovation, new research, and new AI experiences across Google's full tech stack. We're using Google AI to transform the user experience from the devices to the OS and the apps and services you use every day. The Gemini era is real, and to prove it, everything we've shown you is launching in the next few weeks. We have a lot more coming, too, in the next few months. So let me give you a quick look into where our AI research and innovation is leading us. At I/O a few months ago, we shared an early look at Project Astra, a Google DeepMind research prototype that represents our vision of the future of AI assistants. It explores just how helpful an assistant can be when it understands the context you're in and responds naturally. One of the first places you'll see Project Astra come to life will be right in Gemini Live, where you'll be able to share your camera during a conversation with Gemini. So you can show Gemini exactly where you're stuck in your calculus homework. Ask for help with the next step of your furniture assembly. Or brainstorm ideas for getting the neighbors together when inspiration strikes, or in this case, just drives up. And we're bringing your most useful apps into Gemini Live too, so it can help you take action during your conversations and messages and pull information from apps like Google Calendar. So right from Gemini Live, you can text the details about this business to your neighbor and cross-check your calendar, all without opening another app. Now, we can't wait to bring these capabilities to live for everyone, so stay tuned. And our vision for the assistant doesn't stop there. We're evolving Gemini to be even more agentive, to tackle complex problems with advanced reasoning, planning, and memory. So you'll be able to think multiple steps ahead, and Gemini will get things done on your behalf under your supervision. That's the promise of a true AI assistant. Now, we've all been there, staring down a daunting research task or faced with an important decision where you just don't know where to start. Soon, Gemini will be able to assist you as your researcher, saving you tons of time by using information from across the web to create a research report that's tailored to your exact questions. What used to take you hours now takes minutes. So you could ask, help me research grad school scholarship programs for undergrads interested in public service. Or here's another example, where you might need in-depth information to make a big decision and you don't know where to start. I'm thinking of opening a sidewalk cafe in Seattle. Help me research what I need to do. So Gemini understands you're looking for in-depth research. It starts by creating a multi-step research plan for you to approve, and then it curates information from across the web using multimodal reasoning and even navigating subpages and drop-down menus to gather the most hard-to-find details. As it works, Gemini is constantly refining its analysis in a continuous reasoning loop and identifying which information will be most helpful for you. And this is the coolest part. It then synthesizes all that information into a well-organized research report in a Google Doc. In this case, Gemini looked into permitting for Seattle and King County and regulations for outdoor seating. It even includes links to original sources so you can dig in further. Gemini's new research capability is a big step forward in our mission to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful, all while connecting you to the creators, businesses, and organizations that can help you get things done. And this isn't a far-off vision at all. This feature will launch to Gemini Advanced users in the coming months. I'm so excited about the future we're working toward, but today has been all about what's ready now. So those of you here in Mountain View will be able to try these new features today for yourself. And for those who aren't here, we'd love to see you at one of our Google stores, including the new store in Boston and the Chicago and Santa Monica stores that are opening in the next few months. And folks at home, you're invited to our first ever Made by Google after party, hosted by Kiki Palmer and streaming right now on YouTube. We've got exclusive interviews, a few special guests, and you can watch me dance with fire on Hot Ones. So we hope to see you there. We're so excited for this Gemini era and what it means to our entire mobile ecosystem and to people all around the world. So thank you very much for joining us today.